Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm very excited to share with you how I made this rotating vinyl storage that I'm using now. It revolves with the help of DIY Lazy Susan underneath, and the vinyl storage can hold up to 56 rolled vinyls. Plus, you can add more on top if you want. The total cost of this project is only $21 plus tax, and that's in Canadian dollar. So let's get started! So I got this plastic bag dispenser from IKEA for only $3.99 each. This alone can hold 14 rolled vinyls. In this tutorial, we will be using 4 of these, but you can add another 2 or more to the top if you need more storage. So I'm just showing you the product name. It's Verriera. You can find this in the kitchen section. So installing this is really easy. So insert this tab into the hole until you hear the click. And here's the second tab. The third tab, the fourth tab, and the fifth tab. And then close this one and make sure that you hear the click as well. So we're done with the first one. Repeat these steps until we get all those plastic bag dispensers installed. Once we're done removing the adhesive liners, it's now time to adhere them together. Now this is the second level of the storage. So now I'm going to use these multi-purpose ties that I got from Dollarama. I'm going to use them to connect all 4 of those plastic bag dispensers. Then insert the tie into that hole. So I'm just going to use this pair of pliers to pull the tie tight. So these are what we need for the DIY Lazy Susan. Pour all the marbles into the pan. And then apply E6000 glue to the other pan. I also combined it with hot glue. And then I'm going to attach this pan facing the plate like so. Now our Lazy Susan is done. We can now attach the bag dispensers to this Lazy Susan. I'm going to use a combination of mounting tape, hot glue, and the E6000 glue. I'm going to add a couple more layers of these mounting tapes. So if you want to add a third level, you can do so. You can drill some holes and add zip ties or glue them. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you on the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!